Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to take a full body measurement. Before taking the measurement, please screenshot or jot down these measurement sheets that I'm showing on the screen right now, so that you can follow the sequence that is given in the measurement sheet as required. So according to the measurement sheet, we have the vertical measurement and the horizontal measurement. The vertical measurement is a straight measurement of the body, like the length of the outfit. So we'll be taking all the vertical measurements we'll be needing for a lady measurement. So now let's get started. We'll be taking the vertical measurement first, and the first measurement you'll be taking is the bust point. So to take the bust point, you place your tape rule on your shoulder bone, then get the bust point, which is the nipple point. Get the nipple point, that is your bust point. That is your bust point length. So after getting the bust point, the next thing to get is your under bust length. So for the under bust length, exactly under your bust, the tape rule should remain on your shoulder. Then come down, make sure the tape rule is passing through your bust. Then get the under bust length like that. And the next measurement is the half length. For the half length, that is the joining between the upper part of a dress and the lower parts of a dress. So that part is your half length. Take your half length measurement. For me, instance, now I can use 17 for this my mannequin. So that is my half length there. The next thing to take now is the top length, because we are taking the top vertical measurement. The next thing to take now is the top length, and for the top length, it depends on the type of top. It depends on the style. If it is a crop top, you can make it 19, you can make it 17. The top length measurement you're going to take will be according to what the client wants. You have to ask the client that where did you want your length to be. And for blouse length, you can make it 24. Why for the shirt length, you can come down. Just ask the client wherever she wants the top length to stop, or depending on the style the client is making. So that's all for the top measurement. The next thing to do now is take the gown measurement. And to take the gown measurement, the first thing we need is the hip length. For this hip length, you can also need it for top length as well, but most times you might not need it. So for the hip length, you ask the client to turn around, then you place your tape rule exactly on the shoulder like that. Then you bring it to the biggest part of the hip, the fullest part of the hip. That is the hip length. So you're just going to take note of the hip length. That's the hip length. After taking the hip length, the next thing to take now is the short gown length. So we have different lengths for the short gown, depending on different styles. Some want it very short, while some want it moderately short. So you ask the client wherever it is that she wants the length to be. If she wants it very short, just take the measurement, but make sure the tape rule is passing on the bust while coming down. Don't let your tape rule go to the side. Make sure the tape rule is passing on the bust side. Then take the short gown length measurement. Take the very short gown length. Just take it can be that length or it can go down. Take the very short gown length or moderately short. After taking the short gown length, the next measurement you'll be taking is your new length. And the reason why you need this new length is because of there are some styles like 6 pieces outfit that you want the new part to be fitted. So you have to take your new length measurement. So jot that down. The next measurement to take now is a 3/4 length. From the shoulder, just go down like that to get your 3/4 length. Depending on what your client wants. If the person is very tall and you can't go down once, you can just come down. Make sure the tape is passing to your bust. Use your finger to hold it, then go down, hold it again, then you can go down. Take your 3/4 length and your full gown length like that. So that's all for the vertical measurement for the gown length. So the next measurement you'll be taking now is the skirt and trouser length. So to take the skirt and trouser length, the first measurement we'll be needing is our short length for both skirts and the trouser. So for the short length, just place the tape rule on your waist. Place the tape rule on your waist, then come down wherever the client wants a short skirt to be. Just take note of the short skirt measurement and take note of the short trouser measurement. The measurements can be different, so make sure you ask her where she wants it to be, where she wants her skirt to be, depending on the style that the client wants. After taking the short length measurement, the next measurement you have to take is your new length. Make sure you take the new exactly on the new point. Make sure you take the new length measurement. For that new length will be useful for your boot cut pant trouser or your pencil skirt. So make sure you take your new point measurement, and the last thing to take is your 3/4 length. Sorry to say, not the last. You take your 3/4 length first. After taking the 3/4 length, then the last thing to take is your full skirt or full trouser length. That's all for the trouser length. And the next thing to do now is to take the sleeve measurement, the vertical measurement for the sleeve. So we are taking the length of the sleeve now. So you place your tape rule on the shoulder. Place your tape rule exactly on the shoulder point. Then from the shoulder point, you measure your short sleeve. The short sleeve varies. Some want their sleeve very short. So you ask your client wherever it is that she wants her short sleeve to be. So take the short sleeve measurement, then the 3/4 length, then the long sleeve length. So that will be all for the vertical measurements. The next thing to take now is the horizontal measurement. And the horizontal measurement it's like the round measurement of the body, like that. The round measurement and the slant measurement of the body. So the first measurement to be taken for this horizontal measurement is the shoulder. So for the shoulder, you're going to place the tape rule on one bone of the shoulder to the other bone of the shoulder. So for this, I'm making use of like 14 inches for my shoulder measurement. So that is the shoulder measurement. The next thing to take now is the neck measurement, the round neck measurement. So for the round neck, just place the tape rule around your neck to get the neck measurement. The next measurement is the round chest. Just place the tape rule at your upper bust part. So that part is your round chest measurement. After the round chest measurement, the next thing there is the round bust measurements. Place your tape rule on your bust, the biggest part of your bust, and get the measurement. So while taking the measurements, make sure you're not putting all your fingers inside the tape rule. So the next measurement is the under bust measurement. Exactly under the bust, just take your round measurement, round under bust, under your bust. After that, the next measurement is the half length measurement. The part you measure for the half length, measure the round part there. And the next thing is your hip. Just take your hip measurement. Make sure the tape rule can move upward and downward because we have different pom-pom shape. And the next thing to measure now is your thigh. This thigh measurement is used for trouser. And the next thing is for you to now measure your round nail and your ankle for fitted pants. So that's all for the trouser measurements, horizontal measurements. So now to the sleeve, you measure your round armhole to get the armhole, the curve for your sleeve. So measure the round armhole like that. Then the next thing is to measure your round sleeve, the biggest part of your arm. After measuring your round sleeve, the length you measure for your sleeve length, the short length, the 3/4 length, and the round length, you measure the round measurement for each places. And that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.